Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuliso. Uthemba Mshishizwane bafethu i-icon lo muntu lo. Ngikhulume ngaye izolo and then ngibona i-interview etrendayo-ke ka-coach lona wePolokwane City. Uthi uwisha ngabe wamkhoja laphana uThembazwane, uyamhlonipha, uyamncoma futhi uthi hhayi loya muntu lo ugeneral. Uyasho nje ukuthi uThembazwane wenza wonke umuntu ne-play eli-average but libonakale engathi lidlale likwazi ukudlala. Uthi wenza uTeboho Mokoena akwazi ukudlala namanye ama-player. Uthi uPeter Shalulile akasakori since uThembazwane engekho noma engasadlali amagemu amaningi. I mean uThembazwane i-creative spark yakhe bafethu ibaluleke kakhulu for i-Sundowns. King yabona ngathi umuntu i-king, ngimncoma njalo uThembazwane because of I saw him from the beginning eDustin yako-M Tigers ko-Vardos to see what he is right now, ukuthi u-celebrated kangakanani. Uma ubheka kulo nyaka esoqala uThembazwane uzoba na-37 but i-value yakhe isase-high, influence yakhe high, kune-chance ukuthi aye ku-World Cup. You don't, njengoba ngike ngasho ukuthi you don't leave uThembazwane noma kuthiwa kukanjani bafethu uyakiphi i-tournament, umuntu ofana noThembazwane awumshiyi because of what he brings to the game. Bafana sedlale over 50 games, udlale 51 games, unamagoli ayi-12. Betway Premiership bafethu lo muntu lona udlale over 300 games ku-Betway Premiership nje kuphela. Is approaching, kusho ukuthi iThembazwane kahle kahle is approaching 500 professional games masowabala nje wonke amagame wakhe awadlalile. Masobala nawakuBafana Bafana ufikile lo muntu lo ku-500 games. What a player, what a star, what an icon. But-ke singafocus kakhulu laphana bafethu kuThembazwane, ngifuna ukumuva. Moving to o-coach base-South Africa benza kahle kakhulu bafethu abroad. Baningi-ke manje o-coach e-South Africa all over the world cabanga baya-coacha. Into beyingenzeki few years back. Obviously uPitso Mosimane uqala indlela enhle kakhulu yokuthi awine even o-Champions League nabo Al Ahly, waya nase-Saudi Arabia wapromotha le team le i-Al Ahly yalaphana yase-Saudi, one of the biggest teams yalaphana e-Saudi Arabia, la kudlala khona o-Cristiano Ronaldo namanye ama-player kuleya league leya. So Egypt wenze kahle kakhulu and then nase-Saudi wenze kahle kakhulu, and then after ukupromotha leya team leya bathi hayi abamdingi, badinga ucoach manje one-experience, which was sad. But-ke o-coach base-South Africa benza kahle kakhulu. uBenny McCarthy ucoacha i-national team yalaphana eKenya, win ama-accolades, bayamhlonipha nokumhlonipha even ne-government yakhona laphana nginokubona. And then kuno-coach futhi wase-South Africa ucoacha laphana beyacoacha ku-Champions League, manje secoacha even i-national team yalaphana eBotswana, ucoach Morena Ramoreboli. I wish ngisisho kahle isibongo sakhe, but yeah, South African born coach, naye wenza kahle kakhulu bafethu. And then kunoRhulani Mokoena olaphana eNorth Africa secoach eMorocco. No, bekacoach eMorocco manje seyacoach i-Algeria. Then kuno-Davies bafethu ucoacha one of the biggest teams naye laphana i-Raja Casablanca laphana eMorocco. So and then mawubheka some parts of the world kunobo-coach abafana nabo uRoger Disa uke waba khona laphana Egypt ku-national team as i-assistant, and then khona o-Bradley Carnell ucoacha laphana e-United States of America. So kancane kancane iyakhuphuka inamba yocoach benza kahle eSouth Africa, umhlaba uyanothisa. Kusho ukuthi let's say for example if uRhulani Mokoena wenza kahle uyakwazi ukuwina i-league ku-Continental Showpiece, uyakwazi ukuzi-establish as one of the most important coaches. Lokho kuvulela abanye o-coach la e-South Africa ama-opportunities. Abantu bazobheka maybe storyline sakaRhulani Mokoena bathi hayi, if this one is from South Africa and wazi ukwenza kanje, and then it creates ama-opportunities for abanye o-coach balana locally. Same thing as ama-player, if i-South African player lenza kahle asithi e-Europe for example, ama-European scouts azove South Africa abheke ukuthi this can't be the best player just nje lona kuphela nje South Africa, bazobheka. That is why ubona lesiya iJamaica ayinalo ibhola eli-right, but a few Jamaican players badlala one of the biggest leagues in the world. Why? Because of few guys who did well, baya-understand ama-scouts nabantu nje aba-involve ebholeni ukuthi okay there's something, likhona ibhola eJamaica as much as the country is chaotic, but likhona ibhola. Sundowns i-qualifier for bo-Matla World Cup, o-Ribeiro bawina o-goal of the tournament, leyo nto leyo iletha i-spotlight ebholeni lase-South Africa. Everything nje eyenzakalayo lethi spotlight. UMahao Nkotha ukumuva kwakhe kuye eSaudi i-Orlando Pirates. Yenzeni i-Orlando Pirates? Beyilaphana what is this competition ku-CAF Champions League la bekashaya khona amagoli important a-contributor and then bamnothisa from lapho. No-Rile Mofokeng ukunothiswa kwakho ukufuna ama-teams amaningi. So I hope abantu bayabona ukuthi kubaluleke kangakanani like ukwenza kahle lese komunye umuntu noma kuthiwa leyo team wayifavor lowo muntu amfavor but kuvulela abantu abaningi e-countryni ama-opportunities bafowethu, to be honest, to be fair. So I mean that is why oyedwa menza kahle kumele sim-celebrate. Why? Because of nabanye abaningi, thousands and thousands or hundreds of people bathola ama-opportunities. Ombekezeli Mbokazi bebangeke bawathole lama-opportunities if let's say ama-teams or i-team efana ne-Pirates bengathathi seriously say continental football, which is the Champions League. Manje sekakuba Bafana Bafana. Bafana Bafana yenza kahle kakhulu. It's one of the most respected teams manje on the African continent since Hugo Broos afika. Ama-player weBafana Bafana amaningi bayaqala ukuwabheka. Amaningi siwamuvela boma North Africa, bomukwana. Even khona this guy ngiyamkhohlwa, inkinga akekho na kuBafana Bafana ngiyamkhohlwa, but ulo bekadlalela iYanga bafowethu. Awuke wadlala naku-Sundowns umfana. I think una-30 or manje una-31. So naba lokhu njani amanye ama-player ubani oNeo Maema, oDeruki Tanzania. So baningi manje abantu abaya le nale already. Even nakuma-transfer market ama-teams waseTanzania, ama-teams wakuphi kuphi ayaqala ukubheka ama-player manje eSouth Africa, even lese kuma-teams amancane. I remember ubani uShiva Viro wadlala kahle. What is this team? Was it iMarumo Gallants? Yes. Ifika ima-quarter finals or semi-finals waku-CAF Confederations Cup. Ama-player weMarumo wa-attract i-interest from ama-teams all over i-Africa. So zonke lezo zinto lezo ziyasiza. Manje ucoach recently manje the last couple of days ubani uSteve Barker usuke uStelizi manje secoacha lena eTanzania. A big move for i-team esiyazi ukuthi efuna ukucompete ku-Champions League each and every season, one of the biggest teams lapha eTanzania. So I mean i-progression, I mean evolution, ukuthi iStelizi senze kahle through ama-investment wabantu aboStellenbosch ukuthi bayahlonipha ama-continental showpiece, babe baproduce ama-player kuBafana Bafana national team. Zonke lezo zinto bafethu ziyaccount, and then wonke umuntu uyakwazi ukuthi adle through lama-chances lawa ama-players no-coach abawatholayo. That is why if i-team eyodwa yenza kahle akumelanga ukuthi uyisupport-e, but-ke you have to recognize ukuthi this team is creating something for the whole football scene yase-countryni yakho. Yabo bafowethu.